how to show that triangles are similar using side-side-side similarity theorem. First, compare the matching sides. These two sides match because they are the smallest sides. These are the medium size sides of the triangles. These are the largest. So first create a ratio comparing the two small sides, then the two medium sides, and finally the largest sides. After you have the three ratios, you simplify them. You can use a calculator or you can just simplify them. That simplifies to 2 or 3 or 0.6666, and this becomes 0.67. This also simplifies to 2 over 3 or 0.67. This also simplifies to 2 over 3 or 0.67. So because the three ratios simplify to the same thing, we can say that the triangles are similar because of side-side-side similarity. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI because of side-side-side similarity.